Hey guys, we're going to do a simple neck stretch. So this is a Pails and a Rails. We're going to ramp it down to a really low contraction. I like everyone to be really conscious of their neck and not pulling too hard, just feeling for a nice good stretch. So we always start with, you're going to be warming up with your neck cars, rotating slowly, coming all the way back over to the other side. And reverse. So after you do 4 or 5 of those, really warm up that neck, going to the range that you have. We can then go into some of these stretches. So some of the stuff you might have found when you were down here, you felt a bit of a stretch through here. So I'm gonna rotate, I'm gonna actively go down, turn my head till I find there. I've got a stretch now here. And what I want you to do is I want you to just find this stretch and relax into it. So we're passively, I'm just pulling gently with my hand a little bit further into the stretch. We're gonna hold that for about 2 minutes, just relaxing through there, thinking about pushing this tissue out. So the tissue that we want to stretch, breathing and holding for 2 minutes. After you've done 2 minutes, you're gonna then do 2 contractions. So I'm gonna actively try and push my head out. My hand is gonna meet the resistance. I want about 20% contraction here, so just 20. So I'm engaging, pushing my head out, holding that there. We ramp that to 20 or 40% at most. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm gonna actively go further, so my head is gonna actively work into the stretch range, which you'll feel more stretch. I can keep my hand there, but I'm just actively trying to pull away from the hand. Hold there again, 20 to 40%. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then breathe and relax, and you can go a little further. I say to people, do about 2 reps here, not too much more because it's quite a vulnerable tissue. So just listen to your body. If it can handle it, fine, but listen to your body and just do what it can handle. Now, say I've done my full 2 reps. I'm gonna actively come out of this to stop the neck from springing back. And what do we do next? More cars. Chin down, rotating. We've just opened up a bit of range. We wanna upload that information, tell our brain what it can do now with our neck. We rotate, we're mobilizing that tissue, getting the blood flow back in there, and uploading the information. So, as we said, warm up with your cars, find your stretch range actively, then you're gonna do a passive hold, so your hand holds and you relax for 2 minutes. You're gonna actively push into your hand, 20, 40%, actively push away both for 10 or 15 seconds. Then you can find your new stretch range, go a little bit further, stretch, hold for another minute, and do your contractions. Then actively pull yourself out of that and then re-upload with your cars. Enjoy.